But look at one of the issues which the opposition is raising, the issue of three capitals. Chandrababu Naidu says, I invested a lot of energy in making Amravati the capital of Andhra Pradesh, a new greenfield state. Jagan Mohan Reddy comes and says, I don't want Amravati. At best, it's a legislative capital. I'm shifting executive capital to Visakhapatnam, judicial capital to Kurnool. We'll have a three-capital system. It's now stuck in the Supreme Court. Is this the way to function? This is ad hocism at its worst. Look at the cost of not having a proper capital.
See, I think the one thing that you're forgetting is where is Amaravati and what is Amaravati? See, Amaravati is neither in Guntur, Amaravati is neither in Vijayawada. It is 40 kilometers away from Vijayawada, 40 kilometers away from Guntur. It's on a barren land. 50,000 acres are procured on a barren land.
Chandrababu Naidu says, I've invested so much in this. I procured land from the farmers. Now suddenly a chief minister changes the rules. How can a state function like this?
Basically, Amaravati is a scam on a barren land. Your cronies and yourself have already procured land. Then you declare the capital there. That's actually the scam which actually took place in Amaravati. And to actually bring in this basic infrastructure, like roads, water, electricity, and these kind of things, it costs, according to their own report, 2 crores per acre, which is 1 lakh crores. Where is any state going to get 1 lakh crores to actually put up this basic infrastructure before any buildings could come up?
So are you very clear, if you get re-elected, you will move the capital to Visakhapatnam? That is now a done deal if you get re-elected?
See, the most important thing is, Rajdeep, the people who have spoken about Amaravati, how much did they spend in this 1 lakh crores? Not even 5,000 crores. See, by the time you actually start spending 1 lakh crores, it will take 10 years, 15 years. And by the time, in those 15 years, 1 lakh would actually become 10 lakhs. It would be a dream chasing. Whereas Visakhapatnam is the biggest city in Andhra Pradesh.
So you will make it your capital?
You need to be practical there. You need to be pragmatic in what you're doing. See, Vizag has already got infrastructure. It is the #1 city in the state. It's already got roads, it's already got beautiful airports, it's already got everything that a city needs. Maybe 5-10 years, you would actually see Vizag competing with Hyderabad, Bangalore or Chennai over the course of next 10 years. Otherwise, you never see a capital which can actually compete with anything.